All right, so you want to create some AI-generated videos? Let me show you something pretty cool. Head down to the description and click that link. It'll take you straight to Discord. I'm guessing you've already got an account set up, right? Now here's where it gets interesting. Join the Ella Moranis server. Once you're in, look for the Video Arena section. You'll see it right there in the sidebar. To actually start creating, you need to pick one of the chows. Video Arena 1, 2, 3, or 4, doesn't really matter which one. I'm going with number 3. See that prompt box at the top? That's your creative playground. Hit the /, just type /, and boom, you got options popping up. Image, video, image to video, whatever you need. For text to video, we want /video. Select that. Now comes the fun part. This is where you type in whatever wild idea you've got brewing in your head. Could be anything. Type it in, hit send, and watch the magic happen. Here's the cool thing. You're getting videos generated randomly by some seriously powerful models. We're talking Veo 3, Hilo 2, Kling V2, Seedance V2 Pro, or Pika V2.2. Each one has its own style, its own strengths. Oh, and don't just grab your video and run. Give some feedback on what you get. It helps make these tools better for everyone. And hey, this helped you out. Consider subscribing to Tech Drop. We're always exploring stuff like this.